All right, let's look at intentional torts. We have our first four. If you notice on the left-hand side, we have person. Those are torts against the person: assault, battery, false imprisonment, IIED, intentional infliction of emotional distress. That's in alphabetical order. Then we have personal property. Trespass to chattels is a lesser form, if you will, of conversion. So that's why they're there in 5 and 6. And then we have trespass to land. That's real property. So we have torts, intentional torts against the person. Then we have at 5 and 6, intentional torts against personal property. And then, of course, real property. Then look at number 1, assault. We have, for each one of those, you should then bifurcate it into an intent and action for each one of the 7. And finally, at the bottom, we have defenses and remedies, and you should then elucidate what those are for each particular intentional tort. First, we memorize the intentional torts and what they are. Assault is what? Creating fear. Battery is a harmful touching. False imprisonment is a confinement. IIED is extreme emotional distress. Trespass to chattels is a minor, relatively minor, intrusion upon personal property. Conversion is a much more major intrusion upon personal property. And trespass to land is self-evident, is when someone goes onto somebody else's property. This is how we do it with Gould's Legal Ed. What do? We start with the basics, understand the basics, and then start going after the more complex aspects of each particular claim. Remember to subscribe.